as far as the makeup industry, what do you see for in the bridal makeup industry? What trends do you see upcoming, or what's, let's say 2020 season starts late or early 2021? What are the trends that you see for bridal makeup?
So for makeup,
Mm-hmm.
it depends on the person. It depends on their personality and what their comfort level is. A lot of brides want a very classic look. They want very minimal makeup, but they still want to look polished, and they, they want to look, especially for the camera, because, you know, a lot of brides don't realize that if they want a natural look, that they're going to have to still wear makeup. They can't just put on, lip gloss and some mascara. You need makeup in front of a camera. You know this. I mean, you've seen probably brides that don't have any makeup on, and they look washed out maybe after you get the images back. So it's important to at least have some kind of makeup. So that's why you would hire a professional. And getting off a subject here, but your question was trends.
Yeah.
Let's get back to the trends. So the trends are
Trends that you
natural
see
makeup. I got carried away.
No, it's fine.
Natural makeup. A lot of brides still do natural. Peaches, coral colors, minimal makeup, but still polished. And then you have brides who love a smoky eye. And I love a smoky eye. I love makeup. I'm a makeup artist, so I'm, all about makeup. So brides like a smoky eye. They like a red lip. They like an old Hollywood look. Braids are still huge right now. Brides are still getting braids. There are different types of braids, and they're getting them, on the top of their head. They're getting them cascading down. They're wearing hair accessories are coming back. It was very out for a while. Hair accessories were huge in the 90s, and then in the early 2000s, brides stopped wearing hair accessories and they just wore a veil. But now they're back, and I love them because it's bling, and I love bling. So, these are the trends that you're gonna see in 2020 and 2021. Braids are still hot, and I'm shocked by it, but I love them. They're gorgeous.
Mm-hmm.
And also hair extensions. Brides are wearing hair extensions so that they can have the vision of longer hair, maybe even longer braid. So a lot of hair extensions too.
Awesome. Well, that wasn't really meant to be a trick question, but I know every bride has their own style and trends. And of course, you have to gauge as the professional. You also have to gauge what would offer your opinion, what would look best, is in terms of their style.